So when they updated this garage door, they set it up so the track goes under this beam. So the door hangs down super far, and it actually can't open all the way because it hits the beam and it hangs down into the opening. So I'm going to attempt to turn this into a high lift style garage door where the door actually goes up and sits a lot closer to the ceiling. That should make it a little shorter so it'll actually open all the way, and it'll give me more clearance for once I have a vehicle inside. Let's see how it goes. I watched a bunch of other YouTube videos on people that have done this, and what I've seen some guys do is basically they'll take a straight section of track, cut it in to this radius here, and essentially extend that up without having to move the torsion spring. So I think I figured out how much we're gonna cut in, and now we're gonna go ahead and give that a shot and see if it works. Okay, so once I trimmed the end of the rail, I was actually able to push it up, and I figured out that I can just leave the radius as is and simply move the top of the end of the track higher, and it'd give me the additional clearance that I needed. So I just loosened the bolts there, drilled out the rivets that were on this horizontal support, and made a new bracket to mount it up to the beam there. And it actually works pretty good. I was able to loosen up the two bronze bolts there and angle the original horizontal support so I could bolt it back to the track to restabilize things, and it worked out pretty good. I'll show you guys once it's all done. Okay, so we got both sides secured, and I just added a couple of twists to the torsion spring so it would hold the door up all the way. And just to give you an idea of how low it hung before, I probably gained at least another 4, maybe 5 inches of clearance going through the opening. So overall, pretty simple project. Just took a little while to figure out exactly what I was trying to do. And I definitely recommend doing this if you need that extra clearance to fit your truck in the garage.